The 2022 Northern Ireland Assembly election is due to be held on 5 May 2022. It will elect 90 members to the Northern Ireland Assembly. It will be the 7th Assembly election since the Assembly was established in 1998. The election will be held 3 months after the Northern Ireland executive collapsed due to the resignation of the First Minister, Paul Guyvan, in protest against a Northern Ireland protocol. In the 6th Assembly, elected in 2017, 8 parties had members of the Legislative Assembly: the Democratic Unionist Party, latterly led by Jeffrey Donaldson; Sinn Féin, led by Michelle O'Neill; the Ulster Unionist Party, latterly led by Doug Beattie; the Social Democratic and Labour Party, led by Colm Eastwood; Alliance, led by Naomi Long; the Greens, led by Claire Bailey; People Before Profit, who have a collective leadership; and the Traditional Unionist Voice, led by Jim Allister. In May 2013, Theresa Villiers, Secretary of State for Northern Ireland, announced that the next Assembly election would be postponed to May 2016 and would be held at fixed intervals of 5 years thereafter. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.